Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to ask you to join me organizing the website on the bookmarks section. So here the browser that I use is Google Chrome, so you just need to open the Google Chrome application. Since we want to organize the bookmark section, just tap into the bookmark sections right here and then type into the mobile bookmarks. And here there could be a lot of website that you save, or history website that you save on the bookmarks. And if you found that several website is no longer used and you already visit them and you want to remove them from the bookmarks list, you just need to go tap into this edit and then just go click the circles on each website that you want to remove. You can just go marking every website that you finish watching or no longer used, and right after you're done you just need to go click delete, and now you're done. So those bookmarks is those website is no longer saved into the bookmarks list, and now you just need to go tap done, and there you go. That's for this tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.